guys, today I'm going to show you a natural way of cleaning your oven without any harsh chemicals. The first thing that I'm going to use is going to be some baking soda, vinegar, things that you already have in your cupboard, and just a spray bottle mixed with part water and part vinegar. Just spray down the oven after you finish cleaning it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the baking soda, and I'm not really going to measure it. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of water, and just to make a paste, the consistency of like cake icing. Not too runny and not too thick. Just thick enough to stay on the bottom and on the sides of the oven itself. I'm going to add a little bit more water to it, and a little bit more baking soda to it, because I'm going to do the bottom, the floor of the oven, and I'm going to do the sides and the top and the back. So you can continue to add as you go along. We'll probably need to add more as I go along. Okay, so as you can see, this oven is pretty dirty. No one looks forward to cleaning an oven. I know that I surely don't. Kind of like, to me, cleaning your oven is like going to the dentist. Few of us look forward to the experience, and some of us outright loathe it, like I do. But oftentimes, to tell the truth, it's the thought of cleaning it that's worse than the cleaning itself. So I'm taking out the racks, and I'm going to set them to the side here, and I'm going to wash them a bit later. So take out this other rack here. Let me set it to the side also. I'm going to take these off also. Set it to the side and wash them. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a sponge, and I'm going to, as you can see, like I said, this oven is really dirty. So I'm going to take this sponge and I'm going to saturate the bottom of this oven with the baking soda and the water. Try to get all the crevices that you can get. All at the top also if you can. I like to use my hands to rub up at the top here. And try your best not to get any of the paste on the elements inside of the oven. And I like using the baking soda because there's no harsh chemicals, nothing to make you dizzy. And you can have a clean oven in 45 minutes or less. You don't have to worry about turning your oven on. 45 minutes have passed, so now down to the fun part. Take some paper towels. I'm going to wet it, and I'm going to wipe all of the paste out of the cooker to loosen the dirt and the grease. This paper towel first. It is a mess. Let's face it, sometimes we don't always make cleaning our oven a priority. I am guilty. Sometimes it's months, sometimes it's even a year, or years can go by before you clean your oven, between oven cleaning. It happens. If your oven is heavily soiled, you can still use this baking soda to get it back sparkling. This is just an alternative way of cleaning it without any chemicals. That's all. As I can see, it's not too bad. Make sure you get the top also, because I did put it up there. You can see just how dirty it is. Just think, when you're baking and have all this stuff at the bottom of your cooker, it gets into all of your food that you're baking and you're cooking. It's not very nice. If I'm baking the cake, I like my cake to smell like a cake and not like a roast. All the little crevices in this rubber here. I'm going to use a toothbrush and try to get all that oil out of there. So, not too bad, is it? It's okay. It does the job. It gets it clean. And that's the most important thing, it gets it clean. All I'm doing is just wetting the paper towels to loosen up the baking soda and all this grime and dirt also in the bottom of the floor of this cooking here. The 1 part vinegar and the 1 part water that I have in the spray bottle, I'm going to spray the entire cooking here to make it a little bit easier. Not too bad, is it? And I'm going to take a toothbrush here and to get all inside of this rubber here. There's a lot of grease that's down inside of this also. I even get down here because these are the vents down here. good thing about baking soda. It's non-toxic, inexpensive, it's easy to use, and remarkably cleans the cooker. It's very effective on getting the grease. Cutting the grease here, as you can see. Baking soda is alkaline, and oven grease, is made of food particles. And the food particles are acidic. So baking soda neutralizes the acid and breaks down the grease, allowing you to be able to wipe it out without a lot of elbow grease here, as you can see. It just works well on just removing the stuff on food. As you see right now, I'm just using the paper towel just to wipe down everything. And I'm just going to take this brush here. Just a little brush that you can actually get any time here. One more wipe. And remember, this is just 1 part vinegar and 1 part water. That's all it is. And again, I'm just going to wipe the sides down. Vents at the bottom. Here, I just clean this without using any chemicals, without dizzy, without smelly things. I'm not taking away anything from using chemicals. This is just what I have done. Just doing this for 45 minutes. It works, it's magic, and it becomes less of a chore. And I cleaned it before my next sitcom will come on.